I'm from? I'm from South Africa.
I'm from New Zealand, Aotearoa.
And I'm from Germany.
I'm from Lebanon.
I'm from Sweden.
So we're again in Qatar Motorshow for the second consecutive year, and as you can see, drifting, FMX, biking, it's making everybody go crazy.
My bike?
Well, my bike, it's a KTM 250 SX.
My bike?
My favorite bike is my BMW F800R.
My car is a Subaru Impreza.
Oh, Abdo, he's awesome. Man, yeah, that guy can drift.
He loves to go wide open, full throttle. We call it the handshake donut.
Abdo Feghali, it's a very nice guy.
Yeah, with Abdo, I went with Abdo, it was amazing.
I got a chance to ride in the drift car. They're absolutely crazy.
King of drifting.
King of drifting, this guy.
I was laughing all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I offered him a ride on my bike if he lets me try his car. We are still talking about it.
The deal is, you ride with me on the bike. Yeah, I would love to.
Tonight, me and the FMX boys, we're gonna try something a little bit different.
The challenge is to do tricks at the same time.
I'll be drifting, and they'll be flipping above me.
We're gonna have three of us in the air at the same time, over the ramps, and then we're gonna have Christian Pfeiffer doing his thing next to the ramp.
It's the first time we do this.
I've never done anything like this before.
I hope everything goes right, nothing happens.
There's a few dangers that come into play. Obviously, we've got the car coming through at speed.
I guess if Abdul gets it wrong and hits the ramp, it's pretty dangerous for us.
Chris is going to be riding next to the ramp, pretty much in the path of the cars. We've obviously got to make sure our timing is perfect, not to collide with each other.
This is gonna excite all the crowd here. Really good, we did it. We nailed it.
That was just awesome.
Thankfully, the coordination went really well.
Engine screaming everywhere. Wah, wah, wah.
I was upside down, looking directly at Abdul doing the donuts in between.
We took the chance to bring drifting, stunting and FMX together in this challenge, and hopefully we do more stuff like this in the future.